weird looking gear. Trust me, this is very weird. I saw on internet, it's free to download. So just I downloaded it, and from there it was written it is a planetary gear system. So I have no idea what that is, but I thought let's rig it. Why not? If that's a gear system, then it should rotate from the rigging perspective, and I can show you guys how to rig it. So I already made few of the locators. Those who don't know how I get these positions, for them I just select these, isolate this, and go to the vertex mode, drag select, and I can see these gizmos are already at the center and it's good place to rotate. So I just decided that. So I go for the vertex mode and deform, then create cluster, and I just got the cluster from there. So then I create a locator and I snap this locator over this cluster, or you can do it by constraint or match transformation, anything you can do. So this is how I got all the locators for all the gears. So this is a center gear. This is gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. We have available 3 gears over here, and there's a center gear. And center gear is supposed to be the parent gear. So I name it as a center gear. And one more thing what I have done, I just like do the parent constraint over there. So this locator are now parent constrainted towards this respective gear. So whatever the locator we will rotate, move anywhere, it will take care of this gear too. So I have created this locator and parent constrained this gear. That's it. And so now how we are going to see how we are going to rig it. So we are going to use again the expression editor. So for that expression editor, we will go Windows, animation editor, and the expression editor at the bottom you can see. Click it, and this is our old friend expression editor. So this one will be the parent. Why not? So parent we will write it next, which is center gear. We can see the name over here, the center gear. Then this one we are going to be drive. So this will be act as a driven over here. So go here by attribute, and then automatically the selected object will be shown here. We are going to use the y-axis, y-axis, because the y-axis is responsible for its correct local rotation axis. So I select this y-axis. So now we get a little bit of expression over here, copy it and paste in the expression section. So this is going to be the driven, this is going to be the child of it. So, and who is going to drive is the center locator. We can see the name over here, the center gear locator. So just type it out, CENTER underscore capital L small o c. And what attribute is going to drive its y-axis? It's center gear y-axis 2. So let's get its attribute 2. It is rotate y. So first line of code, copy this in case if we're gonna miss this, copy it for backup and name it over here. Make it PLANETRY here and EXP. Naming convention is very important. So make sure every time you do something, create something, please put a proper naming so you can understand, or the next guy working on your file, they should also understand. So now we already copied this, and now we can just create it. So as you can see, there's something missing over here. So what we have missed, so that's why we have copied. Let's paste again, and as you can see, there's no capital G. So the naming was a mistake. Now again copy, for gap backup purpose. So let's name it again gear X and now create it. And this time it is successfully created because this time everything is correct. The object name is correct, its access name is correct. So make sure this is very, very, very crucial here. The naming should be correct. Otherwise it will just throwing error. So now it's created already. Let's see. And by you can select this thing and you can see there's a purple indication over here in the rotation Y. That means it is now connected through the expression. So let's rotate it and test it out. This is interesting. This is rotating in the one axis and the gear is rotating in the other axis. So let's get fix that. Go to by expression, select this one and put the negative. Let's edit it. So again, now we got the correct axis, but the speed is not matching. The gear is not aligning. So what we're gonna do is just like multiplying with some number and check out what's happening here. Multiplied by 2 for safer purpose. Edit it is safer. Now the gear is going fast, so it's the 2 is not good, so we need to go lesser, so even lesser than 1 because this is too fast now. 0 0.6. Let's edit it again and now check this. This is again penetrating. Let's go give some value, arbitrary value, check it. Okay, now the value 0.87 feels correct over here because now it's aligning properly over here. So every gear is different. If the size is different, then you also always have to play with the values. Now I'm satisfied with the 0.87 value, which seems to correct over here. So let's zero it out. And now we are going to quickly populate the same expression names over in these two locators and make sure put the semicolon over here so it will read as a expression. Control V, same thing, the second one, and we need the same thing with the gear 3 locator. And why 8787? Because it's all three gears are of the same size, same diameter, so it's obviously it has to be the same value over here. So now edit it and now its result is proper. Now try to rotate in the y-axis. Now you can see we don't need the expression editor anymore because our script is working. So let's just animate it. Press S button 1, go to the 100, get around 800, enter, press S, now play it. So as you can see, we have now successfully created a rig for the planetary system of this gear system. So I don't know the name is correct or wrong, but this how I found in the planetary gear system uh, in the internet. So I just rig it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section and refer to your friend. If you like it, please refer to your friend. Keep learning and I will meet you in this next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.